Dear students, welcome to my channel. This channel is only for you. Today I am going to discuss exercise 1.2 from real numbers. Here number 1, express each number as a product of its prime factor. That means you have to factorize each of the number as a product of prime numbers. So number 1, 140. Divide. Here unit place is 0. So divide by 2. 2 7s are 14 and here 0. Again divide by 2, unit place is 0. 2 3s are 6. 1. 7 minus 6, 1. 1 and here 0, 10. 5 2s are 10. Here unit place is 5. So now check. Divisible by 3. 3 plus 5, 8. So not divisible by 3. So divide by 5. 5 7s are 35. Therefore, 140 you can write 2 into 2 into 5 into 7. That means you can write 2 power 2 into 5 into 7. So product of prime numbers. Next, 156. Factorize this one. Divide by 2. Unit place is 6. When unit place is 0, 1, 2, 4, 6, 8. Then this number is divisible by 2. So 7 times 7 2s are 14. Here 1 and 6 16. 8 2s are 16. Again divisible by 2. So divide by 2. 2 3s are 6. Here 1 and 8 18. 9 2s are 18. Divide by 3. 3 plus 9 12. 12 is divisible by 3. So 39 is divisible by 3. So 1 times 3 times 3 13s are 39. So you can write 156. You can write 2 power 2 into 3 into 13. Product of prime numbers. So you can write 2 into 2 into 3 into 13. Next, write down 3825. Here unit place is 5. So not divisible by 2. Now check divisible by 3. 3 plus 8, 11. 11 plus 2, 13. 13 plus 5, you will get 18. So 18 is divisible by 3. So this number is divisible by 3. 1 times 3 2s are 6. Here 2, 2, 2 and 2, 22. 3 7s are 21. 1, 5, 15. 3 5s are 15. Next, again, check divisible by 3. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 7, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. Again, so divisible by 3. 3 4s are 12. 3 2s are 6. 1, 15. 3 5s are 15. Again check divisible by 3. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 5, 11. So not divisible by 3. So divisible by 5. Check 1 by 1. 5 8s are 40. Here 2 5 25. 5 5s are 25. Next again 5 1s are 5. Here 8 minus 5 you will get 3. 3 and 5 35. 5 7s are 35. So you can write therefore 3825. 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 17. So you can write 3 power 2, 5 power 2 into 17. So this is the product of prime numbers. Every composite number is the product of prime numbers. This is the fundamental principle of arithmetic. Next, number 4, 505. Here unit place is 5. Now check divisible by 3. 5 plus 5, 10. So not divisible by 3. So divide by 5. 1 times 0, 0, 1. Again here 1001. Now check divisible by 7. 7 1 times 3. 0 30. 7 4s are 28. 2 2 1 21. 7 3s are 21. So divisible by 7. This one. Divisible by 11, this one, say the odd place, this one, 1 and 3 is odd place, unit digit equal to 4, and this one even place digit, so 4 minus 4 you will get 0, so this is divisible by 11. So 1 times, again here 11, you will get 3, 3 and 3 33, 3 times, so you will get therefore 5 0 0 5, 5 into 7 into 11 into 13. Product of prime numbers. Write down. Next, 7, 4 to 9. Here unit place is 9, so not divisible by 2, not divisible by 5. Now check divisible by 3. 7 plus 4 you will get 11 plus 2 plus 9. 13 plus 9 you will get 22. So not divisible by 3. So now check by divisible by 5, 11, 7. 7 ones are 7. Here 4. So not divisible, that means 0 times. 42. 7 5s are 32. 7 6 are 42. Here 9. So not divisible by 7. Not divisible by 7. And here 11 divisible by 11. That means 7 plus 2 you will get 9. And 4 plus 9 13. So 13 minus 9. 13 minus 9 equal to 4. This one not divisible by 11. So not divisible by 11. To check one by one. So this one divisible by 17. Not 13. So divisible by 17. 17 how many times? 4 times. 17 fours are 68. So 74 minus 68. Subtract this one. 6. Again here 262. He'll get 3 times 51. Subtract 1 and 919. So 119 17 into 7 times. So I have already said by divisible by 3, 5, 7, 11 and 13 also. So this one not divisible by this. So 17. Next take by 19. 19 2 times 43 38 subtract 13 minus 8 5 will get 5 and next 7 3 times. So you will get 7 4 2 9 17 into 19 into 23. Product of prime numbers. This is the fundamental principle of arithmetic, fundamental theorem of arithmetic. That means every composite number is a product of prime numbers. Number 2, find the LCM and HCF of the following pairs of integers and verify that LCM into HCF equal to product of two numbers. So number 1 26 and 91. You have to find the HCF and LCM by using any method you can use. So here number 1 solution, write down solution 26 and 91. First you have to say which number divides both the numbers. Say 13. 13 2s are 26. 13 7s are 91. So this one the common. This one common. So therefore HCF equal to 13. Which one common? This one 13 HCF and LCM and product of the remaining 13 into 2 into 7. So you will get 13 into 14. 13 into 14. 3 4s are 12. 2 1 carry. 4 1s are 4 and 1 5. 3 1s are 3. 1 1s are 1. 2 8 1 8 2. So this one HCF, this one LCM. Here you have to verify LCM into HCF equal to product of two numbers. So after that here write down therefore HCF into LCM equal to 13 into 182. 182 into 13, multiply this one. 3 2s are 6. 3 8s are 24. 2 carry. 3 1s are 3 and 2. 5. Here 1 2s are 2. 8 1s are 8. 1 1s are 8. 6. 13 3. 1 2. 2 3 6 6. You will get 2 3 6 6. Again, product of two numbers. Right here, product of two numbers. Here, 26 and 91. 26 and 91. Now multiply 26 and 91. 6 ones are 6, 2 ones are 2. 9 6 are 54, 4 5 carry. 9 2s are 18 and 5 23. So you'll get 2 3 6 6. So you'll get 2 3 6 6. So this one verified same. Therefore, HCF into LCM, you can write HCF into LCM equal to product of two numbers. Product of two numbers. So write the notes. Number 2, here 510, 92. Both are divisible by 2. So 2 times 2 2s are 4, 1 1, 11, 10, 5 2s are 10. And again 10, 5 2s are 10. 4 2 4s are 8. Next 1 to 12, 6 2s are 12. So this one HCF, both are divisible by 2. Again check this one. Here divisible by 2, not divisible by 2. So you cannot write. Now, which number is divisible by 3? No, no one is divisible by 3. So therefore, no need to write. Therefore, HCF 2 and LCM 2 into 2, 5, 5 into 46. So multiply this one. Multiply this one. So here you will multiply 2 5 5 into 2 6 are 12, 2 1 carry, 4 2s are 8 and 9. So 2 5 5 and 92 multiply. 2 5 5 and 92. 5 2s are 10, 1 carry. 5 2s are 10, 1 11, 1 carry. 2 2s are 4 and 5. Next 5 9s are 45, 5 carry. Sorry, 4 carry. 5 9s are 45 and 4. 45 and 4, 49, 9, 4 carry. 9 2s are 18 and 4, 22. So you'll get here, what you'll get? 0, 5 1 6, 9 5 14, 4 1 carry. 2 and 1 3 and 2. 2 3 4 6 0. This is the LCM. So after that, you will find product of HCF into LCM. You'll get 2 3 4 6 0 into 2. You'll get 0. 2 6 are 12 to 1 carry. 4 2s are 8 and 9. 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4. So you will multiply yourself. Next write down product of two numbers. Product of two numbers, here 510 and 92. So what you will get? 510, that means 51 and 92 multiply. 2 ones are 2, 5 2s are 10, 9 ones are 9, 5 9s are 45. So 2 9 6, 4 6 9 2. So 4 6 9 2 and 1 0 is there. So what you got? HCF and LCM equal to product of two numbers. This one verified. This one verified. So the question number 3 is your homework. You will write the answer in the comment section. So I think all of you understood my class. If you understood my class, don't forget to like, comment and share to others. And if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel for next class. Thank you for watching.